What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413. And if you want to know how you can win yourself one of these top-notch Ryker mods radiator protectors, stick around to the end of this video so you can find out. All right, peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one. Hustle. Alright guys, what's going on? Alright, so you already know me chilling like always. Today's a little different. I see I'm on the way to Mark's right now. Gotta grab my front end from my bike so I can put that back on because I know that's been missing. Well, it's not missing, it's just that my other one got messed up when I hit the hay bale, as you guys see. A little crack on the back so it doesn't close all the way. It's a little weird. So grab the new one. It's only 65 bucks for a new front end. You can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So right now I'm in the car driving over there so I can grab that while I'm on the way to work. So I'm gonna hit that, grab that real quick and then head to work. And then this weekend I'll be putting that on. So right now Mark's has the they're doing curbside pickup. So you gotta when you get there, you gotta call and they come bring it out to you. But y'all know Mark's, they got anything you need. If y'all don't live in there, then they can ship it to you. They can ship it right to you, you know? What about that giveaway for that top-notch Ryker mods radiator protector? What you guys think about that? Make sure y'all guys follow follow the instructions to enter. So if you're on Instagram or Facebook, you go to Instagram or Facebook and you follow Top Notch Ryker's page or like it, whichever platform you're on. And then you go to King Joffy Joe page, you like that as well. And make sure you're already a subscriber of the King Joffy Joe 413 YouTube channel. And you're gonna find the post for the official giveaway and you're gonna post your YouTube name on there. And then you'll be entered for the giveaway. I'm gonna let this go on until about March 19th, around there, or the weekend before or after there, whatever's closer. Actually, I think March 19th is on a Friday, so probably the 20th, I'll probably be able to release it. Since my birthday is on the 19th, I might not be doing no lives, because I'll probably be drunk. Nah, I don't get drunk though. I just get tipsy. Alright guys, so just hopped off the highway. So you know your boy's pulling up to Mark's. He's right off the highway, so for your convenience, if y'all need to get to Mark's to pick up something, right off the highway. Look at that, boom, I just got off. Boom, right here. I'm here. Now you just pull in the parking lot, you give them a call, and they'll bring your parts out. 860-741-5115.
Mr. Cameron Golson, what's up?
What's going on, Devin? I'm here to pick up my.
All right, how are you?
I'm here to pick up my parts.
Awesome, you're a celebrity now. You're at 2,000 subs.
Yeah, finally. Took long enough.
High-profile individual.
Yeah.
So what are you in the front parking lot now?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, awesome. Tell you what, let me do that. Alright, I will bring those parts out to you momentarily. All right.
All right, no problem.
Thanks, Cameron. Bye.
Thanks. And there you go. Parts are ready to go. Guess he got my number on speed dial. That's awesome. That's always awesome. To be a known individual. 2,000 subs. What's going on, guys? All right, so you already just seen. Just got the Mark. Just grabbed it. Y'all see me. Y'all ain't see me grab it, but y'all see me on the way there. I grabbed it. My man Devin came out. New front. So when you order your new front, $65, you know what I'm saying? Like the little silver piece on the rally that goes right here, that piece right there is $150. The front, $65. So you know what I'm saying? There's another company that sells it. I forgot the name of them, but they got one for like $400 if you want that. But me, I'll break these all day and buy them for $65. You know what I'm saying? You know what you could do? You actually for $65 when you wrap these and you wanna get a new wrap. Don't even take the wrap off. Just take the whole front off, buy a new one, put a whole new wrap on it so you ain't wasting your wrap. You know what I'm saying? So Can't beat it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, see what. So I bought my I purchased the screws that lock it down. So I bought, which are the wrong ones. Yep, those are the wrong screws. Yeah. And these are the wrong clips. So got the wrong parts. Probably my fault, because I probably told him the wrong part number, but definitely not what I wanted. These are the clips for the back of the, I'll probably keep these because I actually lost 2 of them. For the metal frame that goes on the back, the grill that goes on the back, these are the clips for those. And these are the clips the screws that go on the side that hold your thing on there. But yo, Devin, I need the right parts, yo. What I was trying to get was the bolts that go on the bottom here. Let's open it up, let's open it up, let's open it up. You know what I'm saying? Comes in a big bag. So use this bag for trash after. Get rid of that, some plastic on it. All right, so when I ordered this, I did say it was for the rally. So it does have holes. It has the holes for a rally lip here, because I did order one for rally. I don't know if the ones that are non-rally have holes here. You guys let me know in the comments if your non-rallies or your regular 900s and 600 have holes here for the lip. But it does have them there for the rally one that I ordered. But the screws I was looking for are the screws that go on the bottom here. I just want to replace the screw that goes here and a little clip part that goes there. So, new front. Oh, let me grab the old one. Let me grab my old one. Grab my old one. It's the old one right there. We're gonna be replacing that. You know what I'm saying? We know we got this. You know what this is? That's that top-notch Ryker Mods radiator protector. You know what I'm saying? You can find those. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. Hit them up. Get yourself one. It don't have to say King Joffy Joe either. You know what I'm saying? You can put whatever you want on there. You know what I'm saying? Got the lights. I ain't gonna light it up for you now because I'm about to install it onto there. So, you guys, I'm gonna let you know. Stick around for this Wednesday. This Wednesday's DIY Wednesdays. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting a carbon fiber wrap on here that I got from RykerWraps.com. I'm gonna be throwing that on here. We're gonna be reinstalling the top-notch Ryker Mods radiator protector on there. We're gonna be adding, we're gonna be moving the lip over to there, and we're also gonna be adding the DIY Night Ryker lights. You know what I'm saying? They not the Night Ryker Sling Mods ones, but they the King Joffy Joe DIY ones. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys like them, you know what I'm saying? My man's, my brother D Rolling on 3 said he'll give y'all some. He'll do a giveaway, send y'all some. If someone likes them, y'all can win these. Easy giveaway, quick, easy one. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be like, follow him, follow me. Tell us if you want them. You know what I'm saying? It's something easy. You know what I'm saying? Just to get you some lights so you can throw those on there real quick. So, for now, that's the end. Check us out on Wednesdays. Actually, this Wednesday. Peace. Oh, whoa. Almost forgot. The giveaway. Don't miss out. Yo, right at the end of this, I'm gonna show y'all how to enter to win the giveaway. It's easy. Follow me, Top Notch Ryker Mods on Instagram or Facebook, and then comment your YouTube name. That's easy. How easy is that? And you can win yourself one of these. Look at this. Comes off just to change it with another one on there. What? All right, guys, check through the next one. Peace. All right, guys. All right, we hit that 2,000 subscribers. You already know. We hyped. 2,000. Oh, what? I think I checked like today. It was like 212. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, we hyped. So, you already know. We got the top-notch Ryker Mods radiator protector giveaway popping off for you. You know what I'm saying? So, what you got to do is it's just going to be like the wrap giveaway. So, if you're on Facebook or Instagram, you're going to go to the top-notch Ryker Mods page. You're going to like or follow their page. Then you're going to go to the King Joffy Joe page. You're going to like and follow. You're going to do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then you're gonna make sure you comment in the post for this giveaway. There's gonna be one post for this giveaway. It's gonna have this picture. It's gonna have that picture in it for you. All right, and then you're gonna tag. You're gonna comment your YouTube name on that post, and that's how you're gonna be entered in the win. We're gonna let this go for 30 days, so maybe a little longer. My birthday's March 19th. We'll probably go a little past that because that's like less than 30 days. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I think today's like the 19th, March 19th, my birthday, or the 20th. Close. So, once again, you're gonna go to Facebook, Instagram. You're gonna go to Top Notch Ryker Mods page. You're gonna like it or follow it. Then you're gonna go to my page. You're gonna like it or follow it. You're gonna find the post with this picture. And then what you're gonna do is comment your YouTube name on there. And before you do all that, since you're watching this video, you already should be a subscriber. Because all the giveaways, you're gonna have to be a subscriber to win. And we got a lot more giveaways coming out. All right, guys. So check you in the next one. Good luck. Peace. All right, cut that one.